Welcome back, my students. I'm Ellie at English Fun Zone, and today we're going to be talking about a minced oath. So let's get started. For my younger students, let's say 16 and younger, so if you're less than 16 years of age, you're going to learn how to say swear words, but words that aren't going to get you in trouble. I'm not going to teach you the bad words or the swear words. I'm not going to teach you those, but I will teach you things that you can say that you shouldn't get into trouble for. Have you ever heard of a minced oath? Well, Webster's dictionary defines it as a euphemistic expression formed by deliberately misspelling, mispronouncing, or replacing a part of a profane, blasphemous, or taboo word or phrase to reduce the original term's objectionable characteristics. An example of this is gosh for the word God. So you can use that minced oath for the word God. Gosh. Damn is a word that I can use on YouTube. But as a kid, I wasn't allowed to use that word. I had to use darn. So I could say, gosh darn it. That's right, you've guessed it. If gosh means God and damn is darn, gosh darn it. If you're not religious or you're not familiar with the Christian Bible, there is something called a commandment. And these are rules that Christians are supposed to follow. And one of these rules or commandments is, "Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain." Now, this means don't use God's name when you're swearing or saying something bad. And that's where gosh comes in. We can say gosh, but you can't say God. So to prevent ways of saying Jesus or Christ, we have other minced oaths for these words. For Jesus, you can say Jiminy or cheese or geez, but be careful with geez. It's very close to Jesus. For Christ, you can use Christmas or crackers. So if we say Jesus and Christ, if you put those two together, we would say cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers, or quickly, cheese and crackers. Ugh, cheese and crackers. Or you could say Jiminy Christmas. Jiminy Christmas. Or you can pluralize Christmases. Jiminy Christmases. Depending on how angry you are. Jiminy Christmas or Jiminy Christmases. As I've said, minced oaths are words or phrases that are used instead of the bad words or the swear words. Let's talk about the F word. Now, when I say the F word, we should all know that that's the word that rhymes with duck, right? We say the F word. For example, oh, she said the F word. She said the F word. Automatically, you know what word that is. Now, if I want to say ing, I just say n. So effin, that is effin awesome. Effin. So that's the F word with ing. Effin. F-N. That's effin awesome. My favorite is fudge. It has that f sound, and you can stress it. Fudge! Good to eat, fun to say. Fudge! Another one is the B word, right? Rhymes with stitch. The B word, you can say witch, right? Ah, she's such a witch. Be careful. Your mouth wants to say the B sound. Be careful. It's witch. Witch. So you could say son of a witch. I like to say son of a nun. Son of a nun. Another one is the SH word. Rhymes with hit, right? You can say crap. Oh, crap. That's a bunch of crap. That's a bunch of crap, right? Like, it's a lie. I don't believe that. Just impossible. That's a bunch of crap. A fun one to say is crapola, right? Ah, crapola. It just means crap, but with more finesse, more flair, more, crapola. You can say bull crap. I used to say bullpucky when I was little. Bullpucky. Bull crap. And you can say you don't know crap. You don't know crap. You can use a Yiddish word, which is bupkis. And that's a fun one. That's an actual word in Yiddish. Bupkis. You don't know bupkis. Bupkis. That's a fun one. Now, if you want to say wow, you can say holy crap. Holy crap. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, so those are some of the minced oaths that you can use. Let's practice some useful sentences. And remember, listen first, then repeat after me. And remember, you're going to say them with emphasis because we usually say these things when we're either surprised or angry. So, gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Jiminy Christmases. Jiminy Christmases. Jiminy Christmas. Jiminy Christmas. Cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers. Be careful, that ch sound. Cheese. No she's. Ch. Cheese and crackers. That's effing awesome. That's effing awesome. Looking at my notes here, I forgot friggin'. That's one that's often used. Friggin'. That's friggin' awesome. That's friggin' awesome. Friggin'. Friggin'. Fudge. Fudge. She's such a witch. She's such a witch. She said the B word. She said the B word. Oh, don't give me that crap. Oh, don't give me that crap. Don't tell me that. Come on. Come on. Don't tell me that. Don't give me that crap. That's a bunch of crap. That's a bunch of crap. Oh, bullpucky. Oh, bullpucky. Oh, bull crap. Oh, I'm not going to take any more of this crap. I'm not going to take any more of this bull crap. I'm not gonna take any more of this bull crap. I'm not gonna take any more of this bull crap. Oh, darn it. That's the end of this lesson. I hope you find it useful. And remember, you can say these phrases and expressions, and you shouldn't get into trouble for saying them. And again, this is for informal conversation, but you can use them around the office. And it's perfectly acceptable. It's not a swear word. It's not a bad phrase. It's nothing that someone would say, oh, such bad language. They might giggle or smile. It's nothing bad, nothing terrible. It's a great way to get out that excitement or that anger, depending on the feeling. And don't be afraid to use these phrases and words. All right, my students, don't forget to click the bell to get notified for videos that I'm uploading, because during this holiday season, I have pre-uploaded all of my videos for the rest of this year. And you might not get the notification on Facebook or on Twitter. I will try to remember to post it to remind you. But if you click the bell, you'll automatically get notified for when they do appear on the channel. Remember, I post stories on Fridays and this type of video on Mondays. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and sharing. And until next time, my students, please keep practicing, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday. Bye.